A leader that I'm familiar with is a girl on my soccer team, and she's actually our captain. She is strong. She is very into the team, and she keeps the team together when we are losing a game or when the camaraderie on the team's not the right way. I think she's very good. I think that she stepped into the role and has really connected with a bunch of teammates and have led us down the road of success. And that is something that I have known because I have been a captain on a soccer team before. And it's a role that your teammates look up to you and they need you to be successful for the team to be successful. Um, a leader that I'm not familiar with and who I would love to be familiar with is the team captain for the U.S. team, Carly Lloyd. She has always been amazing to me and someone who I very much look up to. I would love to be under her and to see how she keeps the team together. I think that she's a outstanding player, but she keeps her role on the team and she's very not flashy, but keeps the team together and knows when to keep the team at bay and to keep them calm, but also like when the game is getting crazy, she knows how to pump everyone up and like go to the ball and everything. And that's someone who I really look up to. And I think both the people that I've said that are very successful and something that I've really look up to. So